drive 15 minutes for what?
To go get your magnet.
We're gonna go get what?
The magnet.
The magnet.
Yeah. So I tried to get his magnet a couple weeks ago when I was here with my sister, and because I'd seen other people like pick up their partner or whatever's magnets,
right,
like if they had their pass.
Because a few bad apples.
The lady told me I couldn't because of a few bad apples from recent magnets where
bad
people
apples.
were using like all their family members' passes and then selling them on eBay.
I just almost tripped. Update on City Walk. As soon as you come in, they still do not have the sign up. The Universal Orlando over the crosswalk up the top, still not there. Still no sign. No sign whatsoever. So we will give you an update when the sign is back. So as we walk away from the UOAP lounge, this is what the new magnet looks like. Very cute. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the back of my car. Hopefully it does not get stolen. As Mardi Gras has closed out, they still have some of the barricades that where the crawfish area was. They still have all this leftover still from Mardi Gras. A sad thought that it has come and go. But we are on to bigger and better things like Halloween Horror Nights. Also to note, on extremely hot days, Universal Orlando will open up a fire hydrant for the children to walk through it. I'm not sure if that's a specific idea for it, but that's what we always thought it was. So for Louis is actually closed at the moment. A theme park pigeon. Sorry.
Yeah, I thought you were recording.
So Louis is closed for renovations, I believe. I wouldn't expect it to be. Yeah, I wouldn't expect it to be permanently closed. But for our favorite pizza shop, it's no longer here for right now. We'll give you updates as soon as they open. Kind of. And for the Mummy, the walls are currently down. The concrete is redone. One step closer to opening of the Mummy. It is projected to be opened up at the end of the summer of 2022. I'm excited to see what else comes about. But here is an update about the concrete.
It's so nice seeing it open.
I know it.
I love seeing it open.
Let's go peek inside to see if there's any updates on the inside. So folks, everybody, there is no update on the inside of the locker area. Nothing with the roof, nothing with the sides of the walls, nothing. Museum of Antiques information is currently closed for scheduled maintenance, reopening late summer 2022. So let's see if there's any more updates. So for those of you who have been here for a very long time, you would know that the locker area was over here in this area. Kind of just reminded me of it. What's that, kind of?
It was like from here to the building, and it was just two or three big rows of lockers with double sides.
Also, I'm noticing I've never noticed these two doors with anchors on it. I've never noticed that. Have you? That's pretty cool. It kind of looks like a SpongeBob door.
Makes me think of Jaws.
Exactly, Jaws, or like a Saw, or like a ship movie. Meanwhile, Kenna is excited over an icy that she just got. With Mardi Gras being closed, the Mardi Gras tribute store is now closed. I'm assuming up next is going to be a Halloween Horror Nights tribute store, probably, maybe, most likely. But that's sad to see it come and go. So another little update is going to be the closing of this Monsters Cafe, Universal Studios classic Monsters Cafe. It is going to be permanently closed, rumored to be hopefully not a Minions restaurant. Rotisserie chicken, it's all gone. Kenna also noted to the fact of the spinning monsters are going to be gone.
5 years. Whoa, dude. You know I'm pooping right now? You can't just run past me like that. I mean, I'm scared. Now, you know what you scared the crap? I said it. Shoot, chief. Awesome.
I want some waffles.
You want some waffles? It's way too late in the day for me to be whipping up waffles right now, dude. You gotta get it when the morning sun isn't heating the world up, okay? You don't eat hot food and warmth like this. Have a cold salad, okay? It could be like in a taco fiesta bowl. Yes. No more warm waffles right now.
I want pancakes.
You know what's worse than pancakes? Disney. Don't ever try me like that again. We don't eat pancakes around here. This is a Waffle House.
Waffle House.
That's why they call it Waffle House.
Waffle House.
International House of what? Waffles. What's the best part of a waffle?
The crusty, the butteriness? No. What is the best part of waffle?
What's your name? I'm Joe. Joe, the best part of a waffle is the W. You know why?
Why?
No, not why. W.
W.
Spell it without a W. Boom. Boom.
No.
Don't laugh that hard at my joke. Don't laugh that hard at my joke. You're welcome. Boom. Oh, you're not gonna rock out with me? It's too late. I'm done. The symbols crash is done. Picture. G. I like the peace sign. It represents me. I'm peaceful.
Okay, so a little update in Central Park Walkway. They have it closed. I'm assuming that they're doing renovations on the concrete, like it was over there. That is now open, and they have this area closed off. So I'm assuming that they're doing a lot of concrete work on this side of the park. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but right there, by where my finger was, it's a skidster machine. You have a couple lights, and this area extends all the way down to right by the animal show. So I'm assuming that they're going to be removing the concrete and repouring it back the way it was, just for a concrete refurb. So yeah, we don't know when it's going to be open. Sometime probably in the next 2 months. All right, everybody, so we gave you a little bit of an update on the Mummy, Monsters Cafe, a couple updates in the Central Park area. What else updates did we give? Somewhat a city walk. Still, there's no sign there.
Yeah.
But we're thinking about wrapping it up here. Thank you so much for being part of our
Getaway.